Welcome back to the channel, guys. Dodge Durango. What year? I don't know what year this thing is. 64,000 miles. Oil leak, guys. Now, when you start talking oil leaks, I don't know what engine is in here either. Let me start it up and press on the gas. I can tell this is a V6 or V8. All right, by pressing on the gas and listening to the sound of the rumble, I want to go out on a limb and say this is a 3.6 Hemi, 3.6 Pentastar. All right, 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. And because this is likely, what year, man? 2014 to 2015, maybe. Remember, guys, in 2016, the Durango went to the Generation 3 Pentastar engine. All right, we're not having ticking issues nor oil filter adapter housing issues on the Pentastar. At least I am not. Let me clarify that. Okay, I have yet to go inside of a Gen 3 Pentastar. But this thing got oil leaks. I'm speculating. This is a Pentastar, it's a 3.6. Very well could be the well-known problem of the oil filter adapter housing. Now, they also complaining about screeching noise. Let me see if I can hear it. Oh, I hear it, guys. Whoa. I don't know if y'all can hear it because I got a mic tied to my... All right, hold on. Y'all hear that? Not that stupid moose. Oh, y'all hear that? Guys. Oh, that sounds like brakes. It can't be bearings. Well, it can be bearings because I'm rolling. Hold on. Do y'all hear that? Whoa. 60,000 miles. I want to wager. In fact, let me stop right here. The suspense is killing me, guys. You know what's weird? I'm headed into the shop. I can simply go into the shop and let it up in the air and look at this stuff. But I want to see you right freaking now. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? That wear indicator, ladies and gentlemen, is doing its job. Its sole purpose in life is to make a screeching noise against the rotor to alert the driver that the brake pads are worn. Okay? Now, let me tell you something, people. You much rather hear a screeching noise than a scrubbing noise. Okay? Yeah, the fronts are worn too. Some of the vehicles, you do not have to remove the wheels in order to inspect the brake pads. You can simply look through the wheels. But yeah, looking at that, let me see the other side. Yes, like I was saying, guys, you much rather hear a screeching noise than a scrubbing noise. I don't know. Can y'all see that? Whoa, look at that freaking look at that. Where is my lens clean? Oh my goodness. That is right there on the freaking rotor. Like I say, guys, don't hate. It's doing its job. That's what it's supposed to do. It's its sole purpose in life. To alert. Yeah. That one's not really scratching on it. I mean, you don't do one side brake pads. You do both, so, but this side is literally touching the rotor. Yeah, I can see it right there. Literally touching the rotor, causing a screeching noise. Worn out brake pads. All right, so I got two problems. Was screeching noise, but now I just verified it's actually brake noise and an oil leak. Okay, so let's get it in the air, guys. Oh, you can hear that. Let's check this thing out, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Ooh, ready, guys. Let's check this thing out. Like I say, I hope yes, I guessed it right, guys. V6 Pentastar. Top of that, it's a Gen 1, guys. Now we're looking for oil leaks. Let's go straight to our suspected. Wow. Well, that wasn't hard at all. Y'all see all that oil down in there? Again, be careful because people tend to spill oil down there when they change the filter. But Yes, this oil sitting all in that galley. The real telltale sign, guys, would come from looking underneath. So let's get it in the air. Hold tight. Ooh, right. Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Holy crap. Ooh, it's leaking right before our eyes, guys. This is a bad one. Yeah, anything coming from on top of that transmission, guys, likely working its way down from that oil filter adapter housing. Right in the center of that V8 galley. Look at this. Oh, wow, guys. Again, man, people keep talking about shouldn't these be a recall. If it start affecting safety, guys, like, and this is what I mean by safety. See right here? That's a potential fire hazard. I mean, this is, if that's oil, I don't know what this is, but it appears to be oil. This exhaust is extremely hot. Who knows? Who knows if that can arc? Who knows, man? I mean, look at how drenched that transmission is of oil. So yeah, it definitely, this is leaking from the oil filter adapter housing, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not even like everybody know this is a known problem. I told you, man, I love the Pentastar to death, but those two issues with the valve train and the leaking oil, oh my goodness, giving it a bad rep. All right, so I will recommend oil filter adapter housing because it is oil leak, and I'm gonna have to get under here and steam clean this. Try to sell a diff service too. I don't know when the last time, but this the wheel. Y'all hear that? Whoa! Y'all hear that brakes? I'm gonna take this wheel off because I want to. Yeah, I gotta sell. I'm gonna write up brakes too. So let me take this wheel off, guys. I'm gonna write up my estimate, guys. This is all pretty simple, but I want y'all to see what I'm talking about. I wanted y'all to see my diagnosis. I mean, we've seen it 1,000 times as far as replacing that adapter housing. In fact, I got footage of me doing one right here on a Durango, so no need of me filming this one. But let's take this wheel off, take a look at these brakes, guys. Stay tuned. Ooh, righty, guys. I have the wheels off. Look at that, guys. Yes, that is quite, that is worn. And remember when I said outside, this brake pad is actually doing its job. It did what it was designed to do, which is screech up against the rotors in an effort to alert the driver that they need brake pads. And remember what I also said, you much rather hear that squeaking noise than a scrubbing noise. Squeaking noise, you likely can resurface these, guys. In fact, your determining factor on whether you should resurface rotors or not is you really should mic the rotors and take that reading and measure, compare it with specs. Whatever the specs are, sometimes the specs are actually on the rotor, sometimes you have to look it up. But scrubbing, even if you scrubbing, like, scrubbed into, depending on the specs, guys, sometimes you still can resurface those rotors. It's just in today's automotive standards, if you're a scrub, it's automatic rotors. I don't know of any mechanic resurfacing rotors that had been scrubbed into. Hell, I don't know many mechanics that's resurfacing rotors even if it haven't been scrubbed into. Yes, times have changed, guys. Most of the guys these days are doing brakes with pads and rotors, no matter the condition of the rotor. Okay, this car, what was it, 60,000 miles? Don't go by mileage or the year of the car. Go by the mic, the specs. Okay, so that is the rear. Yes, I love it when brake pads do their job. Okay, let's take a look at the fronts. Now I just did one side, guys. But now the fronts are not worn to the point where it's making noise. But let's do them in pairs. I want to recommend the front and rear brake job. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna recommend front and rear brake jobs, oil filter adapter housing, oil change, and the coolant flush because I'm going to disrupt the coolant when I remove the housing, and a differential service if they have never done it. Remember, this car got 60,000 miles. Now, as you saw under that, it's an 8-speed rear-wheel drive, 8 HP transmission. I'm a big fan of servicing that at right around 90 to 100,000 miles. Okay, let some manufacturer tell it should never be serviced. No. That's not a feel for life. No, stop it. Stop that foolishness, guys. All right, so that's what I'm gonna recommend, guys. Wish me luck. Hold tight. We'll see. Hold tight. Ooh, righty, guys. Here we go. Wasn't so lucky. Okay, wasn't. I understand, guys, when people don't buy everything you recommend. I understand that. So we talked her into buying. It's called prioritizing, guys. When you low on funds, you need to get the most important things that you're being recommended. Okay, hence what you see right here. All right, this oil filter depth housing is of the utmost important to get done. All right, so yeah, I'm sure I got the latest. In fact, AG. All right, we're up to AG as far as a revision. I have a new oil filter depth housing. With that, you're gonna need seals. So I have upper intake seals, lower intake seals, and all we got was the rear brakes. She asked me which one is the most important because I don't have no money. I said, ma'am, if you're gonna prioritize it, I highly suggest you do the rears because right now you're screeching, you're scratching. Okay, so if you let that go any longer, you're gonna end up scrubbing. You're gonna need to replace your rotors as well, and you're gonna cause more damage. Okay, so you can't win them all, guys. Hey, let's knock it out, man. No big deal. I'm not gonna film this, guys. I will not insult you guys and film a brake job. Most of you guys out there, DIY guys, everybody pretty much has done a brake job. We can discuss it, but yeah, I'm not gonna take the time to set up a camera and film it. I'm definitely not gonna film this. I have tons of footage out there on this. But guys, I got work to do, man. That's all I have. I appreciate you guys watching. Just a typical checkout of a Dodge Durango. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.